clean gold sale. Lock in, guys. 2025, we're going up. This is the year of consistency and discipline. No more procrastination. Everything you ever wanted is right in front of you. If you haven't already, sign up to the VIP chat. The link is in the description. I'm trading live every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Let's take off. Anything you need in Miami, exotic cars, yachts, jets, mansions, models, music videos, studio time, I'm your guy. It's Envo on Instagram, all platforms. I'm in the drop top right now. We're in the 3LT. Time to enjoy ourselves because of how much we work. Sorry. I'm big on manifestation. I think it's very important to manifest the life that you want to live. Declaring it verbally.
Speaking things into existence.
What's the word? Oh, the life that I want to live, but from a present tense. So I like to speak and think like I'm already in the position that I want to be in because mentally I am. So. Alright guys, I'm in Miami right now at another fashion show event. We're about to get started. I'm about to get some content, a little bit of BTS, so I'll show you guys a little bit of the inside of Alright guys, the event went well. I'm about to get up out of here. I'm going to chop up the footage and show you guys kind of like a recap of how it went. But now I'm about to go see what the food vibes is. See what's the vibes for the food. Definitely hungry. Alright guys, we just got to the location. We about to go out on the yacht. We're doing like a 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. It's going to be a vibe. We got a bunch of groceries ready to go. Champagne, vows, gas, you already know. Gonna get some content, man. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Anything you need in Miami, exotic cars, yachts, jets, mansions, models, music videos, studio time, I'm your guy. It's Envo on Instagram, all platforms. I'm a day trader, business owner, executive producer, and I do luxury rentals. Anything you need in Miami, I'm your guy. It's 1:20 a.m. right now. We're in Miami still. We're on our way back to the marina. We should be there by 2. Look at that. Look at that, clean gold sale. Forex rentals, that's what I do. All luxury rentals, exotic cars, yachts, mansions, anything you need, production related, feel free to hit me up, contact me. Tap in with the trading course, man. Tap in with the trading group. I'm trading live every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Come trade live with me. Come learn how we're trading. Come trade with a community of people that's like-minded and have a goal similar to what you have set out for yourself. Come join the winning team, man.
I already know what it is, dog. We out here on the boat trying to stay afloat. Shout out to Envo Trades. If you want to get paid, follow Envo Trades, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here getting to it how we used to it. We ain't new to it. We just true to it.
Love to surround myself by all of this luxury and show myself what's possible and remind myself how much more work there is still to be done. There's still a lot of work to be done, so you got to remind yourself sometimes how much work there is left to be done, how much is left still to be acquired. But I hope you guys enjoy the content. It's been a really nice night out though. It's not too cold. You know, we don't have too many people on the boat, but yeah, it's really nice to surround yourself by things that inspire you and motivate you to continue to strive for more and more, you know, so I want to continue to make content for you guys that's going to motivate you and inspire you to do better and go harder. You know, I always tell you guys anything is possible. Anything that you set your mind to is possible and achievable as long as you lock in and you set out a plan for yourself. But yeah, man, let's go. Let's keep going. But Viz fell asleep.
Nah, I'm still here. I was trying to put me on the bus.
Angelina, how'd it go?
Yeah, it was a nice little pregame. We're about to head to the strip club now.
Whoa.
Are you going home?
Huh?
You going home?
You're going home?
Are you going home?
No, we're going to booby trap.
Told you.
Yeah, I want to sleep at your house.
What?
No, we're going to booby trap.
We're literally 10 minutes away. We might as well stop before we go.
10 minutes away.
We have to avoid the traffic.
We're 10.
Hey, what's up? We survived the yacht, man. Whole lot of activity. A lot of stuff coming soon. Trading and shit, getting rich this year. A lot of marijuana.
Yeah, man, you know, welcome to the crib, you feel me? This is the crib every Saturday night, you know what I'm saying? Big yacht vibes. At the end of the month, we're doing it even bigger, 100-foot yacht, jacuzzi on the top deck. You know, it's gonna be a movie, DJ, everything. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, continue to document the lifestyle, share experiences with you guys, motivate you guys, inspire you guys as I continue to build, you know, just build my business, just build my lifestyle, build everything it is that I'm setting out for myself, and continue to document it for you guys so you guys can see it firsthand. And I hope it motivates you guys, and, you know, lock in. If you want to join the team, hit the description. Links are in the bio. Tap in, join the winning team, and let's lock in.